Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about another big airdrop. This airdrop is called Blum, and it's one of the biggest airdrops right now, even supported by Binance. So let's get started. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. I provide the most amazing and profitable airdrops on this channel. First, I will give you the airdrop link in the description and the comment box. So make sure to check those out. Click the link and it will open in your Telegram app. Might take 4 to 5 seconds to load. Once it loads, you'll receive a day 1 bonus. Then tap continue and the Blum homepage will appear. Now tap start farming to begin your farming process. You can claim Blum tokens every 8 hours. You can also earn Blum tokens by playing the drop game. Please remember that you need tickets to play the drop game. I have 6 tickets right now. I can play 6 times. Okay, now tap the play button to start the game. Just tap to play the game like this. I'll fast forward to the end of the game. Now see this? My game is over and I've earned 106 Blum coins. Go back and you'll see that the Blum tokens have been automatically added to your main account. There are also options to complete various tasks to earn more Blum tokens. You have many tasks, such as social media tasks and YouTube video watching tasks. For example, I tapped the start button and it redirected me to Instagram. Now I follow the account, go back, and you can see my task is complete. Just like this, you need to complete all the tasks. I've completed all the social tasks, so let's continue. You can see that all my social tasks are completed now, and I'm claiming Blum coin. There are 36 tasks to complete, which can earn you more Blum coin. Just tap start, and it redirects you to YouTube. Watch the video and then continue. See, I watched the video and went back to the Blum Airdrop homepage, and now my task is complete. Here's a small trick. You can complete all the tasks by simply tapping the start button and immediately going back. See, my task is complete without watching the full video. You can try this trick for all YouTube video tasks. Now I'm claiming all my points. Additionally, there is an option to invite friends. You invite your friends, you will get 10% extra when they earn. Let's move on to the most important part of this airdrop. Go to the wallet section and tap Connect Wallet. You will see several options to connect your wallet, such as Tokenkeeper and the Telegram wallet. In my case, I will connect my Telegram wallet. Tap Open Wallet in Telegram, wait for a second, then tap Connect Wallet. Tap back, tap the 3 dots and reload the page. See, your wallet is connected successfully. Now go back to your home page and you can see that I've earned 7,346 Blum points just by making this video. You can also earn more Blum coins to increase your profit. That's all for this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I will make a new video when Blum points are listed, and I'll also show you how to sell your Blum coins. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.